electricity bills and inconsistent hot water? Switch to Neo heat pumps. Experience significant power savings of up to 70 to 80% compared to traditional heating methods. Consistent hot water 24/7, irrespective of the climate, whether it's summer, cold, or cloudy. Neo performance never drops. A fully safe, centralized solution with intelligent auto control. Ask about our own invention, a commercial tumble dryer not yet in the market that brings a revolutionary change to the laundry field. Zero carbon emissions and eco-friendly. Proudly CE certified, made in India product. Upgrade to Neo today. Sai Heating and Cooling Solutions.